The temperature was in the teens, and the extended forecast called for more of the same. That evening, a customer texted and asked us to stop by in the morning. She said the boilers were short cycling and the water temperature was only 100 degrees. The building was 64 degrees. After responding I would be there, I thought about the heating plant, and they had 2 large copper-finned boilers with atmospheric burners. They were working fine a month ago when we checked them. Dan Holohan always recommends that you don't do troubleshooting before you get to the job site. But I always do. Sorry, Dan. The problem must be something common to both boilers. What's in common with both boilers? Electricity, outdoor air reset, natural gas with a single circulating pump. What do you think is the problem? Welcome, friends, to Boiler Room Detective Channel. I'm your host, Ray Wolfarth. Today we're discussing why the boilers were short cycling and the building was cold. My tech arrived in the morning and called to let me know what he found. He checked the things common to both boilers. It was power, the circulating pump was running, as well as the ones for each boiler. The reset control was calling for heat, leaving only natural gas. The boiler cycled rapidly and did not stay on long enough to even heat the flue pipe. Watching the flame on the burners, he said the ribbon burners closest to the gas valve had short flames, but the ones further away had little or no flame. The technician said he could smell a faint odor of natural gas. I suggested he shut off the boilers. We agreed it was probably the gas supply to the building. When testing the incoming gas pressure, you have to measure the pressure before any gas pressure regulators. The tech had 2 choices for measuring the incoming pressure. He could remove the dirt leg and thread in a bushing to reduce it to a 1/4 inch, or remove the pilot line and thread a pressure gauge there. He chose the latter. The pressure read 1.5 inches water column. The boiler tag required a minimum of 7 inches pressure water column. He told the customer to call the gas company and tell them their pressure was too low from the meter. The gas company technician checked the regulator and meter and found the meter was not working. There was 8 inches on the inlet and 1.5 inches on the outlet. My tech asked whether he should stay or leave, and the owner asked us to stay. As I think about this, it could have been a very hazardous situation, as the gas flowed into the boiler and didn't have enough pressure to ignite it against the pilot. The gas company technician must have had the same thought, as he said the gas pressure, 1.5 inches, was too low to maintain a pilot, so he shut off the gas to the building until the meter tech arrived. The meter technician found the meter was frozen from water inside the natural gas pipe. This was only the 2nd time in my career I've ever seen this. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more expert advice and tips. Thanks for watching. My boiler books are available on Amazon, and my technical articles are included in these industry publications. Thanks for stopping by Boiler Room Detective, and I'll see you on the next case.